Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, not much good depending on your location. Please join in the struggle to liberate our people from the contraption. Like and share videos news update. At last, Kanu files contempt charges against DSS boss Bichi. Oh yes, that's what is happening. Yes, finally, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Onyedumazam Kanu, filed contempt charges against the DSS boss and Monday. Oh yes, Nnamdi Kanu files this contempt charge through his legal team. Yes, on Monday, they filed Form 49 titled Notice to Show Cause Why an Order of Committee Should Not Be Made. This happened at the Federal High Court, Abuja. Yes, now the IPOB leader is saying that despite being served with the orders of the trial judge, Justice Binta Nyako of the Federal High Court in Abuja, made on May 20th, Bichi had refused to comply with the said orders. Yes, of course, you recall that Nyako had on May 20th declined to grant Onyendu an application filed, yes, to set aside his 2017 bail revocation following the allegation that he jumped bail. Yes. Now, the judge refused to transfer Onyendu to Kuje Correctional Center or place him under house arrest as he requested. Okay? But Justice Njako reviewed the conditions for visiting the leader of the IPOB at DSS held by his lawyers. In a ruling, she invited visitation days from 2 to 3 days in a week. That is it. Now the jury ordered that Onyendu should be given a safe and clean room to prepare for his defense, with his team of counsel not exceeding 5 in number. But instead of the three lawyers that were formally directed, she equally ordered that Onyendu and his lawyers should be allowed such a facility that is required for the preparation of his defense and be allowed to take notes. Yes, now it goes this way. Quote, you have not complied with the 3 days per week visitation to the applicant as was ordered by the court. You have not provided a safe and clean room to the applicant at the present facility to prepare for his defense with his team of counsel. You have not allowed such facility that is required for the preparation of the applicant's defense, which facility you have disallowed on every visitation since the said order was entered, as set at below. Interdiction, seizure, perusal, and photocopying of legal documents relating to the trial, preparation of the applicant. By not retracing your steps after you were on the 31st day of May 2024, serve with a Form 48 notice of consequences of disobedience to court, and take further notice that you are hereby required to attend the court on the first mentioned day to show cause why an order for your committal should not be made. Oh yes, this is it. All right, so the leader of the IPB have done the necessary things they're supposed to do. So that is it. Now it's left for those who said they are owners of the contraption to comply. Oh yes, but we have said it. I've been sure that they will not comply with it. So you cannot jail the owners of Nigeria. Bichi is the owner of the country. So why? Who is that person that will put him to jail? Nobody. Nobody will put him to jail. So they are running a banana republic government. Yes, they are running a banana republic. As we are speaking, the former governor of Kogi State is still at large. The EFCC said they have declared him wanted. Who will go and apprehend him? Where is the police to go and search for him and apprehend him? Nowhere. Nobody is doing anything. Yes, they said they have declared him wanted. The man said, the EFCC chairman said, he will resign his appointment if this man is not brought to justice or brought to book to face his charges, criminal charges, corruption charges, everything. But almost 6 weeks now, he has been declared wanted. They have not still apprehended him. They have not still arrested him. The man still at large. Yes, nobody knows his whereabouts. They declared him wanted. Even in immigration, all of them were notified in case he tries to escape. Okay? But till this moment, after 6 weeks, nobody have heard anything about it. The thing has gone down the drain. It has gone down. They have swept it under the carpet. And nobody said anything about it again. So they are the owners of the country. They own Nigeria. Nobody is trying them. They loot money. This man looted over 80 billion naira of Kogi money. Oh yes. And they want to try him. He's dodging it. And the powers that be, they are covering him, protecting him, giving him shield. So what kind of country are you running? Corruption country. Corrupt entity. Oh yes. From head to the, top to the last. From top to bottom. Yes. That is what is happening. Corruption. From the highest level of authority to the last person at the ladder of the authority. All of them are corrupt. Corruption oozing out from the highest level of authority in Nigeria. What is happening? Imagine 80 billion naira of the money of the Kogi people looted by someone. EFCC is chasing him and nobody is talking about it. Yes, the man was crying. They said the EFCC was shedding crocodile tears. So now they have given him directive to stop that thing he's doing. That the man is part of them. Yes, he is part of their clique, their cartel. The man who looted over 80 billion naira is part of the cartel of those who are governing the country. Oh yes, that's why nothing is happening. The man has gone free. Nobody is pursuing him again. For one day he didn't appear. He didn't show face at the EFCC office, at least to answer 1 or 2 questions. Yes, for over 6 weeks, nobody is hearing about the case again. They declared him wanted and it ends there. Someone that the EFCC have seen him, they want to apprehend him. His governor sent policemen from Kogi State. They went to Abuja to chase away EFCC officers and retrieve him back. Yes, they rescued him from the EFCC. They took him, to Kogi State from Abuja. He still lives in Abuja as we're speaking. Nobody's doing anything about it. Yes, they have given him cover. They have given him shield. All that came from above said, Governor, go to Abuja. Use your power to release him. Nothing will happen. And the police, the FCC were there, moping. They didn't know that order has come from Abuja, the highest level of authority. Because that is it. So what is happening? If not that is what happened. That was what happened. Exactly what happened. They gave directive from the highest level of authority for the governor to go there, break the law, do all the abracadabra, chase away the AFCC men, then rescue the governor. Yes, and all of them went to Kogi State. Nobody is doing anything. So in that case, what do you expect from this Bichi? Who will arrest him? Who will apprehend him? Who will prosecute him? Nobody. Nobody. It's a banana. It's a banana. But the leader of the IPB has done the needful. Yes, to tell the international community that, look, this is what happened. This is what transpired. Look at what the court has said. Okay? The court have said these things, and the DSS, they are not following it. They are not obeying